Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Shilpi Saxena and I welcome you all in my channel Life Skills. And today we are going to learn a skill that makes us human being in a real sense. In the words of Aristotle, man is a social animal. And what makes us social? That is our desire to live in a company, to live in society, to work in a team and to be part of a team. So today's topic of this video is teamwork. So let us discuss what is teamwork. Teamwork is the collaborative effort of a group to achieve a common goal or to complete a task in the most effective and efficient way. Teamwork, it really sounds good, but it seems to be impossible also because the present corporate world is full of cutthroat competition. We are living in such a society where the people are running after money and they are not caring for each other. So let us understand what teamwork is with the example of nature. If we as human beings behave like geese for friends, colleagues and parents, life will be really beautiful. In the next season, when you see the geese migrating, going to a warmer place to sort the winter, pay attention that they fly in a V formation. Maybe you will be interested in knowing why they do this. By flying in a V formation, their flight efficiency increased by 70%. So the lesson 1. Sharing the same direction and working as a team get us to the destination quicker and easier. By helping ourselves, the accomplishments are greater. When a goose leaves the formation, he feels the resistance of the air and feels difficulties of flying alone. Then he quickly comes back to the formation to take advantage of the flock's power in front of him. Lesson 2. By staying in tune and united beside those who are going in the same direction, the efforts will be less. So this is the second lesson that we should learn from geese. It will be easier and pleasing to reach the goals. Everyone will be inclined to accept and give help. When the leader goose gets tired of flying, he goes to the end of the V formation while another goose takes the lead. So lesson 3. To share the leadership, there must be mutual respect between us all the time. In corporate culture, we have seen that there is always dispute and conflict between the leaders and the subordinates, between the boss and the employees. So we should learn this leadership skills and teamwork from these birds. There must be mutual respect between us all the time, sharing the hardest problems and tasks, gathering our abilities and combining our faculties, talents and resources. The geese flying on a V formation, they quack to encourage to the ones in the front. So as we human beings keep on boosting each other, these birds also do to boost each other's confidence. Lesson 4. When there is courage and encouragement, the progress is greater. A timely word of encouragement always motivates, helps and strengthens. It produces the best of benefits. Next point, very important. When a goose gets sick, is injured or gets tired, he must leave the formation. But they are not as selfish as we are. The tired or the injured goose leave the group, but his company does not leave him. What do they do? In that condition, other geese leave the formation too and they fly with him to help him out and protect him. They remain with him until he is able to fly again. They reach their baby or they just make another V formation. So what is the lesson from them? Let's stay beside each other no matter what the difference is, especially in times of difficulty and great challenges. So we have seen in the time of pandemic what is the reality of human relations, how we are misusing our resources. So this is a great lesson that as a human being we should learn from these birds. If we bond together and support each other, if we make true the spirit of teamwork, regardless of our differences, we can rise to meet our challenge. If we are aware of the feeling of sharing, life will be easier, and the passing of years more fulfilling. My friends and partners, let's be like the geese. Now we should discuss the history of teamwork. The movement towards teamwork was mostly due to the Hawthorne studies, a set of studies conducted in the 1920s and 1930s that highlighted the positive aspects of teamwork in an organizational setting. Basic team dynamics, open communication to avoid conflicts, effective coordination to avoid confusion and the overstepping of boundaries, efficient cooperation to perform the task in a timely manner, high level of interdependence to maintain high level of trust, risk taking and performance. Trust is the backbone of teamwork. Now we will come to know the stages of teamwork. The first stage is forming, storming, norming and performing. How do the groups form and how do they react when they become the part of the team? The first stage is forming. This stage is described by approach as well as internal conflicts. When the people have to work in a team, they form the team, but there may be some conflicts among them. Teamwork in this stage is at its lowest level. Storming, the second stage is characterized by a competition for power and authority, which is the source of most of the conflicts and doubts about the success of the team. Norming, the third stage is characterized by increasing levels of solidarity. This stage shows much higher level of teamwork and make it easier for the above characteristics to occur. So in the last stage, teamwork is at its highest level. What happened here? The team members avoid their personal grudges, personal conflicts. At this stage, they have to perform as a team. We have seen this example in most of the cricket team when the players have differences among them, but when they have to play with other team, they have to work as a team. So teamwork in the last stage is at the highest stage. Teamwork for leaders. A leader that can't work with a team is a failure. Leaders that develop great team around them have two things that they do well. They have a lot of emotional intelligence and they are able to provide a clear vision for the team. Importance of teamwork. Teamwork motivates unity in the workplace. Teamwork offers differing perspectives and feedback. Teamwork provides improved efficiency and productivity. Teamwork provides great learning opportunities. Teamwork promotes workplace synergy. Advantages of teamwork, as we have just seen with the example of geese, that teamwork has lot of advantages. It makes the life easier. It gives strength to each and every member of the team. So there are some advantages of teamwork. The first is problem solving. In a team, it is easy to work to solve the problem. Healthy competition, develop relationships, motivation. So this is all about teamwork. Teamwork is such a good skill. If you know how to work in a team, it will create win-win situation and life becomes more pleasurable, more enjoyable. Thank you for watching this video.